I think we're starting to see a pattern here. First, Lionel surprises me with the new Vision Line triplex, and now Hess is back at it again with another truck reveal. Yet this time, it's the 2023 holiday toy truck. Or whatever Hess is uncovering from the wave of latest teasers that's been floating around. But you know what they say? There's only one way to find out. And with that, let's get this show on the road in 3, 2, 1. Holy look at that! Oh, this looks awesome! Yeah, that's his second police vehicle. Oh man, look at that! And oh, that's like a cowboy design. Look at that! And there's the multicolor LEDs like in the teaser. Look at that! Man, that looks awesome. So it's the 2023 police truck and cruiser. Oh, this is sort of like a fitting year because 1993 they had a police car, and now what is it? 30 years, I think 30 years later, they now have another police vehicle in their ranks. Man, looks awesome. So, I think the truck here sort of gives off the look on the 2020 ambulance. And, like, as you can see, like, from the cargo box. But I really like the police truck, the secondary truck there. 74 lights. I think that might be, I don't know if it's like combined or just the truck itself, but yeah, 74 lights, 4 of the sounds there. Who knows if it might be like 4 different sirens like on the ambulance. Slide out battering ram. Ooh, this might be like a, I think that's for the cruiser truck. Rotating turret with 2 spotlights. Wheelie popping action and free shipping and batteries. Energized batteries included. And I'm pretty sure the spotlight is on the cruiser truck too. Hess, yet again, you have blown it away. Also $43 plus tax. Not as expensive as the collector's edition boat, but it's sort of worth it for these new features on this truck. I don't know why they didn't put the first truck with multicolor LEDs on the light bar. Well, it'd be pretty cool to see like what the flash patterns will be on the light bar on the top of the truck. Yeah, man. What a muscular looking cab on that truck. And like from a design perspective, that still looks more like a SWAT-esque police truck for the secondary truck. Like that's what the Hess might be trying to mimic. Yeah, it looks pretty mint. Well, I can't wait to see what the other features are on more Atom details. Because, oh yeah, I would love to learn more about this. All the way down in this truck. So let's take a look at some of the pictures here of the truck. Oh, there's the box art. Oh, it's a 6x6. Yeah, so now it makes a difference, like, apart from the ambulance, because this guy's a 6x6. Advanced multi-pattern flashlights and 4x6 sounds. And there's one of the flash patterns. So yeah, we're definitely going to get some flash patterns for the top light bar. And there's the rotating spotlights. There's the ramp. Possibly the same mechanism as the ambulance. Battering ram. And slide out battering ram. I wonder if it's going to be like a spring-loaded one. And wheelie pop in action. Never seen a SWAT police truck do that. And there's the review. Looks mint. Unleash the inner hero in everyone. And now has gone full-on emergency services here. Now Hess has their own full fire, EMS, and police force, and even their own tow truck team. And also their rescue helicopter, too. So what other emergencies can Hess respond to? Tactical transport and Hess with a bold white driving. For realistic sounds, horn, engine start, and the emergency sirens, both the US and European sirens. Oh, can't wait to hear what those are. Each antenna with a different animated flashing light pattern. And yep, it is an armored response truck. Either flat or wheelie position for a quick response to any emergency. And yet the turret is 270 degrees of rotation. And with that, let's check out these sound effects here. So we have the startup sequence. Oh, first new startup sequence in a while. That's pretty cool. And sort of akin to the 2015 fire truck when it's almost ready to drive off. And love the exhaust sound too. Because more recently has been using like their own generic diesel startup, but really like this new different engine sound for this year's truck. Now for the horn. Yeah, another different horn. Almost so much of the 2022 truck, but sounds mint. And now for the big part, the sirens. Oh, a lot of nods, Hess. We like the first siren here. Also, flashback. Almost sounds like the 2005 Hess fire truck. Sort of pulled out from those sound files, but. And now for the second siren. Yeah, almost like I think it's taken directly from the ambulance sound pool. That's sort of like more like the station alarm rather than like a like a siren. Like the fourth sound from the ambulance is sort of more akin to that. But we like the sound effects on the police truck. I think my favorite would definitely be the startup sequence and the yeah, would definitely the startup sequence. So yet again, another knock out of the park for Hess's holiday truck. And who knows, like, if I get it, who knows what role this big guy would play in Tales of the Showroom? Heck, Who's on First Hess edition? Because it has this, the horn sound effects. Maybe we'll see if it gets the flashing light button only. Did I, or did I just not reveal the strategy for the Who's on First Hess edition? Anyway, well, another neat speculation is that, who knows if this truck will get a mute mode like the ambulance? Because if Hess did have the ambulance, they can do that with the police truck. So that's my biggest surprise for Hess to put in with this truck. Because if they didn't mention the mute mode, it might be standard on maybe some of the future trucks. And that's my biggest surprise. So overall, awesome job on the new holiday truck, yes. Can't wait to see when it actually comes out and ready to put it into service. And with that, that puts a roadblock for this RW Reviews video. Be on the lookout for some more future RW channel videos. Drive safe, everyone. Bye.